There's that low. I've plotted it right in the heart of this system where we're seeing that center of circulation, that lowest pressure associated with this intense storm. And this is what is going to be our big influence today. Once that low starts to move east, things change. We're already seeing signs of it as that snow is moving into areas that we haven't had that snow yet. It's drawing in that colder air out of the northwest, so that snow will be sticking. And as that low moves to the east, the wind will increase. So here's a look at the radar. We're going to zoom in a little bit more here. Again, Fargo seeing some snow, heavier snow just to the north of the metro. Looks like we've got some snow around the Walcott and Colfax areas. And then back over to Oak, some heavier snow pockets here along with some strong winds, some snow squalls moving through that area. And then back over toward the Lemoore area, seeing some snow in the Verona area as well. And this stretches down into South Dakota. They're under a high wind warning there. So any snow combined with that is going to continually bring down visibility in that area already. So if you're thinking about traveling in that direction today, not a great idea. Here's a look at our radar up in the Fargo-Moorhead area and beyond. You can see northwestern parts of Clay County getting some steady snow at this point in time. Georgetown back up into Norman County, and then along the Trail and Cass County line getting some steady snow as well. And as we see the movement of this, it's rotating around the low, so the movement is a little bit more just kind of, we'll say circular here as it rotates around the low. But in general, the whole area of snow that's around the FM area is drifting south and east. So expect this to continue this morning for the metro. In Grand Forks, we've had some snow there. We're getting a little break now. You can see over time that snow kind of diminished and dropped southeast. There are more bands surrounding this low, though, and that will continue to make its way through. So some areas getting breaks, others seeing the snow. And some of us to the east not seeing much of anything right now, but this is making its way toward you in places like Bemidji. Here's a look at our wind. I mentioned it's not as strong. We're starting to see it pick up in some spots. A gust to 18 in Fergus Falls, some 20s up in Langdon and Devil's Lake, Sisseton a 45-mile-per-hour gust, and again a reminder, Aberdeen seeing 60 miles per hour in that area of high wind warning. Visibility in Oaks is at a half mile because of the wind and the snow. We're at a mile in Carrington. Fargo visibility reported at 2.5 miles at the airport. Doing okay in the far east, but a lot of places in Minnesota also seeing some reductions in visibility too this morning. So visibility's down and temperatures are down as well. We're below freezing everywhere. It's 27 in Fargo, so accumulations likely here in these areas where we get snow. Here's your hour-by-hour planner. Through the morning hours, we'll watch this snow continue to make its way around the low and make its way through the valley. This is the noon hour where I've paused the clock. You can see still more snow, and here comes that wind. It increases more and more. I think our strongest speeds are going to be in southeastern North Dakota, and we're going to get those gusts into the 40s to even near 50 miles per hour. Visibility will be down, of course, where we've got the falling snow and the wind, and some of that fresh snow we got will potentially be picked up in some areas where it didn't start to crust over yesterday. Now, heading into the 6 o'clock hour, more of the same. Temperatures below freezing, temperatures that stay, in fact, start dropping into tonight, and that wind continues to be strong. A little hint at some easing in this snowfall coming up for late tonight as we start to see that low pull away even more. We'll watch our snow chances wind down as we head into Friday. Look at these temperatures, though, tomorrow morning. We'll be into the teens, some of us maybe in the single digits, and with the wind chills will be in that sub-zero range. Quick look at your wind planner. Again, gusts are going to be strongest in southeastern North Dakota through the day. We're looking at gusts 30s, 40s, up to 50 miles per hour. And snowfall, well, we've got a chance at a couple of inches here in Fargo and up in Grand Forks, on top of what we've seen in Grand Forks in some areas, even more, especially in those higher elevation spots in Minnesota. So be ready for more of the snow here today and more potential blizzard conditions as well.
Yeah, I don't like all the blue on the map, but need to watch out for it. Lisa, thank you this morning. This morning, we are learning new and disturbing information on the man involved in a Minnesota shooting that went on the run.
Plus, crime at the ranch. One family is wondering why their horse was the target of a deadly attack.